welcome back to my channel. It's Hannah. So I already have my foundation on, like my whole face makeup done, but I really wanted to do a little tutorial with the 35V Stunning Vibes palette from Morphe. My friend Skylar got it for me for my birthday Christmas gift, which I was really excited about because I had no idea, but I've been using it since she got it for me, and I got it, today is the 3rd of January, and she gave it to me like the 23rd of December. I don't remember. I think it was the 23rd. It was like a few days before Christmas. So, but yeah, so I'm just gonna do a little tutorial using the Morphe 35V, and I'm gonna have to zoom in. So I'm just gonna do the one eye for now, just because I can't really see, and I'm using my viewfinder, so I'm gonna have a mirror over here, and then I'm gonna be doing my one eye. But yeah, so I already did my face makeup and everything, just so it won't be such a long video, because I have to also film another video after this. Also, if you end up seeing my sports bra, sorry, I literally just threw this shirt on because I didn't know what to wear. But yeah, alright, so I'm just gonna zoom in. Alright, don't mind my eyebrows. I've tried to do them the best I can. I don't have them professionally done, so also if I get blurry, I'm really sorry. But I'm gonna start off by priming my eyes. And if I'm not looking at the viewfinder, it's looking down at my bag. But yeah, professional, I know. So I'm going to start off by using the NYX eyeshadow base. This is so old, and I'm pretty sure it's my sister's that I took from her from a while ago. So, like I said, I have my mirror over this way. Also, my nail chipped. I'm very upset. But, that's why I don't get my nails done. So I'm just going to dip my finger in and put a little bit on my eye. Oh, she's getting a little chalky. Okay. So once I have that on my eye, I'm gonna get this away. The first color I'm gonna take is Go Nude. It's literally just a basic nude color. Try to show you it here. This one right here, it looks a little lighter in the camera because my ring light makes it pretty bright. So I'm just gonna use this fluffy brush from Morphe. So I'm just gonna dab into that a little bit. The only thing about this Morphe palette that I wish I had a mirror, because I don't know, it'd just be so much easier. So I'm gonna just blend this out onto my eye. So once I have that base color on, I'm going to use the shade Turned On, and it's like this orangey color. Where's that? It's just this color right here, and I'm going to just put that in the crease of my eye and like blend it out. But I'm going to use a different fluffy brush just because it's a little bit darker than the color I just used. Put it in my crease. Then I bring a little bit of it down onto my eyelid, but I mainly focus it in the crease. Okay, so now that that's blended out, I'm going to go in with a little bit darker shade, but I'm going to use the same brush because it's already kind of dirty. And I'm going to use the shade Wild Thing, because I'm doing more of like a purpley orange look today. So that's the shade right here underneath the one I just used. I'm going to dab into that a little bit. And then I'm just going to put that in my crease as well. Make sure you're kind of blending it up towards your eyebrow, just so it's all one color in a way. Alright, so now I'm going to use a little, I'm just going to use this little pointed brush from Morphe as well. And I'm going to dip it into a darker plum color, which is, since it's not like on, like it's not, the names aren't actually on the palette, it's just on this thing. I have to keep looking back on it just so I can show you guys. And I'm going to use the color Trist. I believe that's how it's spelled, but it's just this purpley color right here. I'm just going to put that, we're going to put that right here on the outer V of our eye, and then blend that into the crease. Okay, so once that's blended in, I'm going to go back with that fluffy brush again that I just used earlier, and we're going to blend that out. Don't forget to like blend it up again. Okay, so once that's blended in, I'm going to use a lighter shade on the eyelid and in the corner, and then I'll put something darker on the outside just to blend it in a little bit more. The color that I'll be putting on my eyelid, which is more of like a light shimmer, I believe this one is called Heartbreaker. So I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm just using a flat brush from Emax Design Brushes. I got this off of Amazon my like junior year of high school, so I've had it for a pretty long time. So I'm just going to dip into that a little bit. So I'm just going to put that on my eyelid. Alright, I'm just going to put a little bit more on there. Alright. Then for the inner corner right here, I use the shade Knockout, and it's like the whitest one in the palette. Just this white shimmery color, and I'm just going to use the same flat brush, put a little bit on there, and then shake it off a bit. I'm just going to put it in the corner right here, and then bring it up a bit into that previous color. Alright, so for the outer corner of my eye, I'm just going to use the shade Addicted, and it's just this purpley brown color right here. Put that out on the outer V. So I'm just going to put it right here. Then kind of blend it into the crease, just lightly. So once I have that blended in, I'm just going to use that fluffy brush that I keep using to blend them out, and I'm just going to go over it all and blend it all together. Okay, and then under my eyebrow, once that's done, I'm just going to go back in with that really white shade again and just put a little bit under there. So I'm just going to put a little bit under my eye. It gets a little crazy, but then once you actually like blend it out, once you blend it out, it's not too bad. So I'm just going to use that brush again. Just going to blend that in, blend it up. And that's it for the eye. So I'm going to put some eyeliner on, do my other eye, and I'll be back to talk to you guys so you're not just looking at my messed up eyebrow. So I just put my eyeliner on and my mascara. Since I already have my makeup on and everything, I'm already done. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm going to try to zoom in a little bit more again just so you guys can see. So that's what it looks like. I'm not for sure if I got this one to match up a little bit, but we tried. I'll just turn the brightness down a little bit so you can see a little bit better. But oh my god, yeah, my eyelashes, a whole nother story there, kids. I'm trying to use this growth serum stuff for my eyebrows and my eyelashes that my mom got my sister and I for Christmas. And we're going to see how that works because I don't really have any. But yeah, so I'm going to zoom back out again. I'm also adjusting the lighting as I do that. And yeah, so let me know if you guys liked this. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a long time. I think it was March or something when I was still back in my dorm room. And if you haven't seen those makeup videos, I will put that down below. And I think the first one that's ever on this channel besides my Vallis trip, I actually recorded in my room with just my phone and the natural lighting that was coming through the window. So the quality there is not the best, but you know, it has 400 views, more than most of my other videos. But yeah, so also comment down below if you think I should do a look with the blues in here. I'm gonna just take this out and show you, but look at these blues, folks. Look at them. Like, actually, like, look at this green though. I think that's a green. It's like some sort of greenish blue. But yeah, so let me know down below if you guys would like to see an eye look with the blues. I want to do them, but I'm not that much of a rebel and I don't know where I would wear that makeup look to. But I also might just wing it because it's 2019, kids. It's 2019. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!